What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and this is a gaming review of Infinix Hot 10s. Before we start, here are the specifications. This phone comes with 6.82-inch display with drop notch and HD plus resolution. It has 90Hz refresh rate and it comes in 20.5:9 aspect ratio. It has 90.6% screen to body ratio, narrow bezels, and 180Hz touch sampling rate with 440 nits brightness. Now this phone packs Helio G85 with Mali G52 GPU. It has 4 or 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. This phone has MediaTek Hyper Engine game technology and DAR Link Game Boost technology, which gives you new gaming experience with eliminated screen tearing or stuttering and a responsive touch panel, better color reproduction, and no heating even after extended hours of play. Now this has 6000 mAh battery and it has DTS HD surround sound single speaker at the bottom. Now here are the benchmark scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side, battery is at 78%, there's a AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 29 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. It's 31 degrees on all sides. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. The visuals are great and the details are pretty good. There's minimal lag but that's negligible. Overall, the game is playable. So it's been 5.5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 33 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 34 to 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 33 degrees. Next I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. The visuals are great, the details are pretty good. The controls are also smooth. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees. Next I'm going to play Call of Duty. Now these are the graphic settings. Medium graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. The visuals are great, details are also pretty good, and the controls are pretty smooth. It's been 5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 37 to 39 degrees. On the bottom it is 35 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 36 to 41 degrees. And on the bottom it is 34 to 35 degrees. Now it's been a total of 16 minutes and the battery came down to 75%. The phone feels slightly warm, not hot at all. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. The AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's showing a message, temperature too high. Around this time you should stop using your device in normal conditions, but as a reviewer I have to keep going. And it's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it's fluctuating from 38 to 41 degrees. On the bottom it is 35 to 37 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 38 to 44 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels warm near the top area. Because of the plastic bag, we can't feel much heat, and even on the front it's not hot at all. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 260 photos in those 3 minutes. And there is no throttling. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we'll try to make it as soon as possible. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.